Falsa Sharbat is a refreshing and tangy drink made from the fruit called falsa. Here's a recipe to make Falsa Sharbat at home. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh falsa berries, 4 cups water, 1/2 cup sugar. Adjust according to your taste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, fresh mint leaves. For garnish, ice cubes. Optional. Instructions: wash the falsa berries thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. In a saucepan, add the falsa berries and water. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the berries become soft and release their juices. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the mixture cool down slightly. Once the mixture is cool enough to handle, transfer it to a blender or food processor. Blend the mixture until you get a smooth puree. Place a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a large bowl or pitcher. Pour the falsa puree into the strainer, allowing the juice to strain into the bowl or pitcher. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the pulp to extract as much juice as possible. Discard the remaining pulp in the strainer. Add sugar to the falsa juice and stir until it dissolves completely. You can adjust the amount of sugar based on your preference. Add lemon juice to the juice and mix well. Cover the bowl or pitcher and refrigerate the Falsa Sharbat for at least 1 to 2 hours to chill. Once chilled, give the Sharbat a good stir before serving. Pour the Falsa Sharbat into serving glasses filled with ice cubes, if desired. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Serve the Falsa Sharbat chilled and enjoy its refreshing taste. Note: you can adjust the sweetness and tanginess of the Sharbat by adding more or less sugar and lemon juice according to your preference. You can also dilute the Sharbat with more water if desired.